All right, in this video, we're going to talk about 3.6 objective 1, where we multiply decimals. I've got the whiteboard up to help us have enough space to work these problems. And zoom in a little bit to help me see the problem. So problem number 1 here says 9 6/10 times 7. So I'm going to make that a vertical problem. You don't have to line the decimals up like you did for addition and subtraction. We're just going to multiply this as if it was 96 times 7, and we'll worry about that decimal point in a little bit. So 6 times 7 is 42, and then 7 times 9 is 63, plus 4 is 67. Now we come back to look at the decimal values here, and there's one decimal value in the entire problem. So there's one decimal value in my answer like that. So this is going to be 67 and 2/10. Let's go ahead and clear this out. And we have 9 15/100 times 11. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. 0 for a placeholder for my 1, slide over to my 10s. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 9 is 10. So we have two decimal places up here in my problem. So I'm going to slide over 2 places here in my answer. And I have 165 hundredths. All right, now we're going to move on to where we have decimals in both numbers that we're multiplying. So 275 thousandths times 1 7/10. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 3 is 52. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 5 is 19. Bring that one there. Put a 0 here and slide over. I'm going to get rid of these carries. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 times 0 is 0. We don't need that. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4. And we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places in our problem. So 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places in our answer is going to be 4,675 10,000ths. 4 73 times 2 2/10 is going to be 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Let's get rid of that carry. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 7 is 14. And that's 9 again. So that's 6, 10, 14, 10. And we have 3 decimal places. So 10 and 406 thousandths. Right? And we have 2 very small numbers multiplied together. 4 hundredths times 2 hundredths. 2 times 4 is 8. I don't have any other significant numbers, and I need 4 decimal places. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. 4 places after the decimal, and a leading 0 there for readability. So 1, 2, 3, 4 places after the decimal. All right. Nine and 8/10 times so even though it's written this way, I prefer the number with more digits to be on top, so I'm going to write it the other way. Order of multiplication does not matter. There we go. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 7 is 56 plus 6 is 62. Put a 0 as a placeholder when we slide over, get rid of our carry. That's 72. 63 and 7 is 70. And add. And we need 3 places after the decimal point. All right, let's clear our canvas. 192 and 9/10 times 5/100. 9 times 5 is 45. 10 and 4 is 14. 45 and 1 is 46. 5 and 4 is 9. Get rid of my carries, put a 0. Actually, those are all zeros, so now we need 3 places after the decimal. So that's 9 and 645 thousandths. Just 2 more problems here. So I'm going to put the one with more place values in the top, and 6, the one with less place values on bottom. 4 times 3 is 12. 36 plus 1 is 37. 24 and 3 is 27. 0 and carry. 1 and 3 is 3. 1 and 9 is 9. That's 6. 2 zeros. That's 18. 54 and 1 is 55. 36 and 5 is 41. 2, 10, 8, 17, 25. 4, 10, 15. And then we need 4 places after the decimal. So that's 42 and 5,500 to 10 thousandths. For our last problem here, we have 272 thousandths times 1 and 15/100ths. 5 times 2 is 10. 35 and 1, that's 36. 10 and 3, that's 13. Slide over 1, get rid of the carries. 2, 7, 2. Slide over 2. 2, 7, 2. 0, 8, 12, 11, and I need 3, 4, 5 decimal place values. I'm going to put a 0 in front of that decimal for readability. 0 and 31,280 hundred thousandths. All right, that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and we'll solve some application problems that have to do with multiplying decimals. See you for the next video.